Choosing the right welding repair station can be challenging. Unstable temperature control, slow heating, poor tip compatibility, and low power often ruin precision work. That's why professional soldering stations are essential for clean, reliable repairs. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best welding repair stations of 2026, designed for electronics repair, PCB work, and motherboard rework. We analyzed real user feedback, performance specs, and reliability to create this list. All product links are in the description for updated prices. Like, comment, and subscribe for more professional tool reviews. Number 5. SUGON A9 Soldering Station. The SUGON A9 is a powerful and reliable soldering station designed for precision electronic repair. It supports original 210, 245, and 115 soldering iron handles, making it highly versatile for different tasks. With fast heat-up performance and stable temperature control, it ensures smooth, lead-free soldering. The station delivers consistent power output, helping maintain clean joints and sharp results. Ideal for technicians working on circuit boards, mobile repairs, and general electronics, this model offers a strong balance between performance, compatibility, and durability. Number 4. FNIRSI DWS200 Soldering Station. The FNIRSI DWS200 is a high-power 200-watt soldering station built for demanding repair jobs. It supports both C210 and C245 soldering handles and includes a helpful soldering stand for stable operation. Rapid heating and accurate temperature control make it suitable for PCB repair, component replacement, and rework tasks. Its compact yet robust design ensures efficient heat transfer and consistent performance. This station is an excellent choice for users who need strong power output with professional-level precision. Number 3. Aixun T3A Smart Soldering Station. The Aixun T3A is a smart 200-watt soldering station engineered for advanced electronics repair. It supports T12 and T245 handles, making it ideal for motherboard, PCB, and BGA soldering tasks. Intelligent temperature control ensures fast heating, minimal heat loss, and stable performance during long repair sessions. Its precise power delivery helps protect sensitive components while maintaining strong solder joints. This station is perfect for technicians who demand accuracy, efficiency, and professional-grade reliability. Number 2. YIHUA 948 Digital Soldering and Desoldering Station. The YIHUA 948 is a multifunctional welding repair station combining soldering and desoldering in one compact unit. It features a 90-watt temperature-adjustable soldering iron and a powerful suction tin gun for efficient component removal. The digital display allows precise temperature monitoring, making it suitable for PCB repair, maintenance work, and electronics servicing. Built for reliability and ease of use, this station is ideal for users who need clean desoldering and stable soldering performance in one solution. Number 1. AIFEN A5 Pro Soldering Station. The AIFEN A5 Pro is the most advanced welding repair station on this list. It supports original 210, 245, and 115 soldering tips and features an LCD digital display for precise temperature control. With rapid heating, stable power output, and excellent thermal efficiency, it delivers professional-grade performance for motherboard repair, PCB work, and precision soldering. Its compact design, reliability, and high compatibility make it the top choice for serious technicians and electronics repair professionals. A high-quality welding repair station ensures accurate temperature control, clean solder joints, and long-term reliability. These 5 models offer powerful performance, smart features, and excellent compatibility for different repair needs. Whether beginner or professional, there's a perfect option here. Which one do you prefer? Comment below and subscribe for more tool reviews.